Hello friends, today we are going to discuss unit second of a compiler. This is very important unit of a compiler design, and here we are going to discuss about the bottom up parsing, what are the different bottom up parsing types, and what are the different LRK techniques which are available. So in last lecture we are already discussed the things regarding bottom up parsing, that are there are different introduction regarding to the bottom up parsing we are already discussing last lecture. So in unit first what we discuss about compiler, phases of a compiler, role of legs, then we discuss about input buffering, token, pattern, lexeme, and then we also discuss about the different parsing strategies, that is uh, uh, the predictive parser and recursive descent parser. But here we are going to discuss totally about bottom up parsing. Okay, so what is bottom up parsing? As it name suggests, here we are trying to reach from bottom to up, means from leaf node there something parsing is there, middle node are available, and here we are trying to reach at our root node. Okay, so bottom up parsing is more general than the top down parsing. Yes, and a bottom up parser builds a derivation by working from the input sentence back toward the starting symbol of S. So the starting symbol is doesn't matter. The starting symbol might be E or S. That is a non-terminal, but here we always try to reach at the starting symbol, and we started the parsing from leaf node or terminal node, and we are always trying to reach at the starting node. These are also called as LR parsing. So what is LR parsing? But top down parsing is also called as LL1. So in that LL1, the first L stand for scanning input from left to right. Second L stand for leftmost derivation, and one denote look ahead pointer, only one pointer at a one time. But what is LR? So here the first L stand for the scanning the input from left to right, or what we can say that L means the token are read from left to right, and R stand for rightmost derivation, the parsing or construction which is to be done with the help of rightmost derivation. There are two types of bottom up parsing. First one is operator precedence parsing, and second one is LR parsing. In LR parsing, there are different types are available, that is LR0 or LR1, then SLR and LALR. Okay, we will discuss these things in detail in next upcoming lecture. Bottom up parsing. In LR parsing, it reduces a string to the start symbol by inverting productions. Okay, so what is inverting production means what? Suppose we have a production from that is A produces beta. So here we are always trying to reach from beta node to the A node, that is starting symbol. Okay, see here the bottom up parsing technique. So initially what we have in our hand, initially we have integer plus integer plus integer. So here what we are trying to reach, here we are trying to read at to the our root node, that is capital E. Okay, so how we will reach at our destination node? Suppose we have a terminal node that are id into id. Okay, so id reduces to f. Yes. Next, f reduces to t. Yes. Then id reduces to f. Yes, id reduces to f. Then t star f is reduces to t. Yes, and t reduces to e. So here what we have done, from leaf node, that are id into id, there are different production are available, and finally we reach our root node, that is capital E. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss about the reduction. So till now what we have discussed, we discussed about bottom up parsing. What is bottom up parsing? Bottom up parsing, it is the more general term which is to be used rather than top down parsing. And in bottom up parsing we always try to reach from terminal node to the root node. Okay, thank you.